Looking for the most tactile switch on the market? The Holy Panda switches deliver an experience that's hard to beat. Combining the best parts of Halo and Invyr Panda switches, these switches offer a unique snap and satisfying tactile bump that keeps you coming back to your keyboard. What sets Holy Panda switches apart is their design. They feature Halo switch stems paired with a polycarbonate top housing and nylon bottom housing from Invyr Panda switches. This blend creates a switch that feels both crisp and smooth, with a tactile feedback that starts right at the top and stays consistent all the way through each keystroke. The 67-gram spring adds just the right resistance, making every press feel deliberate and rewarding. Compatibility won't hold you back either. Holy Panda switches fit plate-mounted cherry-style PCBs and work perfectly with popular hot swap barebones kits like the Drop Alt, Control, Shift, ENTR, Carina, Plank, and Prionic. Whether you're customizing your setup or upgrading an existing board, these switches slot right in without hassle. From the feedback we've seen, users praise Holy Panda switches for their excellent tactile feel and sound straight out of the box. Unlike other tactile switches that deliver a bump only at the start, Holy Pandas maintain a satisfying bump throughout the key press, enhancing precision and comfort. Many enthusiasts consider them their favorite tactile switch, especially when left unlubed to preserve that distinct sound and feel. If you're debating between Holy Panda and other tactile switches like Glorious Panda or Texy Purple Panda, Holy Panda stands out with a slightly sharper and more consistent tactile bump. That said, for those on a budget, the alternatives offer great value too. But if you want the best tactile feedback that holds up throughout every press, Holy Panda switches are worth the investment. If that's you, someone who values precise, tactile feedback and a satisfying typing experience, Holy Panda switches are worth a look. They combine durability, compatibility, and a feel that's truly engaging. Try them when you're ready to upgrade your keyboard and enjoy the difference every keystroke makes.